I'll get your skirt in it so you can just see. This is breakfast at Dottie's.
All over. Where's the little one?
She's right over there.
Open the vault.
Opening the vault. This is a morning ritual.
I got a piece of this. And I think I got a piece of chicken here.
And here they are, all the puppies.
All the vultures.
Breakfast at Pietsu's. Okay, there's the Fritzy dog. Barely gets his belly up. Throw that out.
Get me another piece
Of what?
Oh, no, sorry. There's 2 pieces here. Piece and a half. Big piece.
Can't see the little ones. There's the princess doing her morning dance. Do a little dance. Make a little love. Knock grandma over.
Easy. 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 Easy! Okay. That's a good boy, you're sitting. Just a little bit big for you. Last and then you first. Good boy, you're sitting there. Ooh, that's a big piece. Ooh, that's a big piece. Easy. 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 And easy. Awesome.
And that concludes breakfast for this Wednesday morning, October 28th.